Welcome back. It's our second day here in Silver Springs. There you go. It's early. It's just after 8 and nobody is here yet except us. Just kidding. There's a few here already.
This is the kayak rental facility at Silver Springs. We started out early in the morning. We booked 2 hours, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. It cost about $45 for the 2 kayaks that we rented. Here they are. We brought our own life jackets, but you can get those as well. Guides helped us launch the boats down at the river. An early morning start is a good start. Here is a look at the route. It'll take you on a loop through the Silver River and out to the main Silver River, which leads to Silver Springs, which feeds the Silver River. You can tell early in the morning, good time to be there. It's nice and cool, and you got the steam coming off the water, very picturesque. Not too many people were out there when we were out there. I had a sit-in kayak, and Lisa had a sit on top, I guess it's called, where her legs were exposed. I like the comfort of having my legs underneath, but either way, it's a good ride. The Silver River fed from Silver Spring is always 72 degrees. So whether you're there in the dead of winter or in the middle of July, it's going to be 72 degrees. Crystal clear water. When you look down, you see what's called eelgrass, which flows in the way that the flow is going from the spring. We're told that if it hits air, it dies. So pretty cool to look at. You see a lot of different flora and fauna as you're going down the river, and it's just a beautiful sight to behold.
Guess what, guys? I am hanging in one of these tree branch here so that I can stop and we can enjoy the surrounding here. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, pristine water here in Silver Springs.
This is an Anhinga, also known as a snake bird, because when it's in the water and its head is going through the water, it just looks like a snake. One of the interesting things about the Anhinga is that it does not have waterproof feathers like a lot of birds do. So when it wants to fly, what it has to do after being in the water is to get up on a stump or a stone or something like that, like this guy is doing, and dry out his wings. Once those wings are dried out, then he's able to fly like a regular bird. So as we continue along the Fort King paddle trail, we see an alligator. One of the guides told us earlier that a quick way to measure how long an alligator is look at the distance between his eyes and the end of his snout. So if it's 6 inches, that would mean that the alligator is about 6 feet long. This fence is the end of the Fort King paddle trail, and it leads out to the Silver River. If you go up here and take a left, you'll complete the loop, which is about 2 hours for our kayak tour. You take a right, it takes you further on up the Silver River. When you do take the left up here, you're eventually going to get back to what is called Mammoth Spring, which is the largest artesian spring of limestone in the world. It pumps out about 550 million gallons of water per day, and we're told it's 99.2% pure, so you can pretty much drink it for the most part. One of the most interesting aspects of Silver Springs is these rhesus macaque monkeys, which were brought over in the 1930s by a Colonel Toohey, who had a glass-bottom boat tour. He wanted to increase ridership, brought them over, put them on Monkey Island, and he found out they could swim. So there are hundreds of these right now, and you're told not to feed them because some of them have the herpes virus, and if they bit you, that could be deadly. So don't feed the monkeys.
I hope you like our video and we had provided you with some tips and informations. Please don't forget to leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.